Hi friends, this is Marycarmen, Yoga with Marycarmen here, and in this video I want to show you this powerful pose that serves so well our spine. It's called Cobra. So get on that yoga mat and let's get started. Hello friends, Cobra pose obviously begins on our belly. So go ahead and get yourself comfortable on your yoga mat. Top of the feet down. The hands, the fingers are in alignment with your chest. I like to also say that they are right underneath your shoulders. Elbows nicely close to the body. Top of the feet down, pressing onto the earth. Same with your tailbone is tilted under, so you're trying to press it all the way down to the yoga mat, activating those thighs. And then from here, we're going to press onto the hand. Make sure that the shoulders are away from the ears. So lengthening the spine already from here. Notice that my head is off the ground and I'm already activating through the crown of the head. And then I'm going to inhale, press the hands down. The elbows are nicely close to the body as I lift through the spine, but making sure that my shoulders are not coming to my ears, and I'm continuing to come all the way up. You're going to stop to where your back allows you to go, the level of flexibility that you feel that moment, that day, especially if you're taking an early morning practice. Usually our spines are not 100% to where they usually are, so you want to respect that and honor that, and just go to where your body allows you to go. So we're going to just press into the hands. Notice that my elbows are not flaring out. They're still very close to my body, and I'm pressing as much as I can, controlling this with my arms and my core. My butts are also active. And then you come all the way down when you're ready. Releasing the arms to the side body if you want to. We're going to do that one more time. And then also again, trying to really think about the crown of the head as the leading force as you're lifting. Those arms are on fire as you're trying to lift this up, by the way. But also remember to incorporate the core, the buttocks, the legs, all of it. It's an entire system. So go ahead and bring the hands right underneath the shoulders, elbows in. Crown of the head is lifted and it's already active. Pressing the top of the feet down. Your navel is in. Here we go. Inhale. And exhale. Press the hands. Shoulder blades move back and down. Forgot to mention that. This is how you let those ears and shoulders be away from each other. And continue to lift through your spine, through your arms. And this is your Cobra pose. Let's get out of it. Gently, the same way as you came in, come out of this pose, coming down. Great. Now let's come all the way up just to wrap it up. So that was Cobra. It's a powerful pose, stretches the spine, lengthens the spine, increases flexibility there. It helps with your lower back if you have lower back issues, but you also have to make sure that you're engaging that core to protect those lower back muscles. Besides this, it has so many other benefits. Keep practicing. Give it a like to my video, and I will see you on the next one. And remember to subscribe. Bye-bye.